Need your appliance model number for parts or service? Here's exactly where to find it on every major appliance. Refrigerator, look inside the fridge compartment on the left wall or ceiling. There's a white or silver sticker with the model number, serial number, and manufacturing date. Some Samsung fridges put it behind the crisper drawer. Washer, top load, lift the lid and look on the inside edge or back wall. Front load, open the door and check around the door frame. Some brands put it on the back of the machine. Dryer, open the door and check the door frame, inside wall, or behind the lint filter. GE and Samsung sometimes put it on the back panel. Dishwasher, open the door and look on the inside edge of the door, either left or right side, or on the top of the frame. It's almost always visible with the door open. Oven or range, open the oven door and look on the frame where the door meets the oven. Some models have it behind the kick plate at the bottom or on the back. Garbage disposal, look at the bottom of the unit under the sink. There's a label with the model and serial number. What you need, the model number, not the serial number. The model number is usually shorter and starts with letters. Example, WFE525S0JZ. The serial number is longer and is mainly used for warranty checks. Write it down or take a photo. You'll need it every time you order parts or call for service. When calling for repair, have your model number ready. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.